The hard part by far is manufacturing, not designing the car. There's just not really a movie about that, but there should always be about the sort of inventor who invented the car, and then the job is done. That's the easy part. The hard part is manufacturing by far. It's harder to, say, reduce the cost of the car by 20% than it is to get to volume production in the first place.
So here we are in the middle of nowhere. This is what we call a pilot plant. It's minus 14 outside today, and we're fine-tuning our protein. What we're creating at a very, very premium level is truly a new category of protein. And the margin of error in creating a premium quality protein is very fine. When you're creating a commodity or a mass market thing, whether it be protein or whatever, then you have a very wide margin of error. If you make a small mistake in the manufacturing process, 50%, then it's still acceptable. The margin of error for our premium quality protein, the viscosity, the texture, the sandiness, the taste, the smell, the color, the foam, all of these parameters, there is next to no margin of error, like 2 to 3%. So in regards to that, when we do have something, and some people say I'm too much of a perfectionist, when we do have something that doesn't quite meet spec, then we have to go back to the drawing board. As Elon Musk once said in a very recent interview, the difference between designing something in a laboratory or in cars, in his case, and scaling up and making it commercially viable is up to 1,000 times more difficult. And I can absolutely agree with that. But we are doing it because we have a great team and we're passionate about reinventing the wheel on protein.